What's up, YouTube? Robo Rider back, and today we are going to Seminole Fest, and this is at Seminole Harley. We're gonna meet Blockhead, her two wheels, and ShadetreeSurgeon. I know I'm some little moto vlogger with only 200 subscribers, but hey, these are the people that paved the way, so we're gonna head there now. It's about a 2-hour drive. But yeah, basically, I'll kind of fast forward there. If I see anything cool along the way, we'll go ahead and record it. But yeah, I'm excited to meet some of the people that have paved the way for motovlogging and kind of made it a popular thing for people like me to get interested in, people like you that are watching. Yeah, I think it's gonna be cool to meet them. I've never met ShadetreeSurgeon and I've never met her two wheels. Like I said, I have met Blockhead before, and when I met him, it was by random chance. He just happened to be at a certain dealership I was at when I was looking at a Sportster S, so maybe he'll remember me, maybe he won't, but you know, I'm some little pipsqueak moto vlogger. But I'm looking forward to meeting them. So like I said, we will transport there. See you guys there. And we are here, not really. As you can see, typical Orlando traffic. Now, I may or may not have used the green lane, as some people call it. No, I didn't do that. I mean, who would do that? I wouldn't. Yeah, it would have been like 45 minutes longer if I didn't green lane it. If you green lane it, don't speed and keep your eyes open for 50. Definitely not legal, but you know, I didn't want to sit in the heat because I'm a baby. But yeah, we are probably another 50 minutes away. But this is typical motorcycle riding in Florida, especially on the lovely I-4, especially when you get around the Kissimmee Highway 27 area. It's an absolute nightmare there, and obviously still traffic ahead up here, so I will cut back in when we are almost there. And we're about 10 minutes out, but I wanted to check back in and show you guys like a historic landmark here in Florida. This weirdly shaped building up here is called the Eyesore on I-4. The thing has sat unfinished for years, just sits there, and everyone hates it. So just wanted to check in and show you guys that. About 10 minutes out, where I'll be meeting Blockhead, her two wheels, and ShadetreeSurgeon. So check back in when we're there. And we made it. We are here. Stopped at the Wawa to get some gas. And we made it here to Seminole Harley, one of the biggest dealerships here in Florida and the best. But we made it here. Gonna see some cool people, maybe meet some new people, and see how it goes. I don't know if you guys remember my video when I traded in my Sportster S for this baby right here. This is where I turned in, almost missed the turn, but we are here. We are doing this. Motorcycle parking only.
What up? So I've been asked to say something into a camera, so I'm gonna do you an even better favor. I'm just gonna hand this straight to Josh, and he'll take over for you.
Everything you want to say, say all the
Josh,
nice shit to him.
We were having a conversation, sir.
Yeah, what were you guys talking about?
All I'm saying, so like what I said about this is, if you go to a club, you like to watch a girl dance, maybe do a little bikini bike wash, what you should do is this, because guess what? There's no in the champagne room. Yeah, you're not. We should go say hi to him. You're not gonna get laid. It's not gonna happen. So what you should do is have a good time, throw in every single compliment you've ever thought of in your life on that girl. Blow her up, gas them up, dude. Cheer them on. Cheer, dude. Yeah. Simping ain't a crime, man. They call me ShadetreeSurgeon, man. I just tell a girl every single thing they want to hear. All right? I'm a people pleaser. What can I say, dude? I mean, like, I can tell what people want to hear, and I just say it.
That needs to be a sticker.
Some days you're the simp, some days you're the pimp, and it's just balance.
So listen up, man. I ain't gonna be ashamed of saying a nice thing to a beautiful woman.
That should be on a Brap Star t-shirt.
Someone's like, "Oh, you're a simp. You say these nice things to girls." What I should say is, try it out, dude. Say something nice with no expectations. That's the problem. They're like, "I'm not gonna give you a compliment. I'm not gonna give you a compliment because I expect something back." What you should do is drop a compliment on a beautiful girl and expect nothing in return, because it feels good, man. Tell a woman she's beautiful. You're allowed.
You're just laying it down right now.
It's true, man.
Yeah.
You haven't met Preacher Tree Surgeon?
All right. Just laying it.
All right, thanks for watching all
That's
that.
what happens when you get Blockhead your camera. He gives it
He gives it to somebody else who's going to be much more eloquent.
Wow.
I'm Rob, by the way.
Word, Josh, man. Nice to meet you, dude. You look familiar, man. I met you before, ain't I?
I don't think so. I've met him before. I haven't met you before.
It's like a body phenotype. You just look like a biker, you know? You're just like, oh yeah, I met you. Come on to the camp out, man. Come hang out, drink beer. It's free beer, free food.
That's
October 26th is coming out next weekend.
Okay.
Not this coming weekend.
Isn't it in Brandon?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, 2 hours right there. You ain't got a camp if you don't want to.
Say something to my camera.
Sure. Is it on?
Yep.
This thing's on.
Also,
I trust you.
I love it. I gave it the block and like say something. He walks over to Josh and just hands it to him. There goes the block fan taking off. It was really cool meeting them. They were really down to earth. They invited me to go out to eat with them, but I am doing the recall bolt on my bike, so unfortunately I couldn't go. But it was really nice meeting you guys. Shade Tree was really cool. Block was really cool. I didn't get Chris on camera, but I did talk to him for like a good hour. Really cool dude, down to earth. So Chris, if you're watching this, it was nice to meet you, bro. He doesn't like being on camera, so. But that's them all taken off. And this was the meet and greet table that none of them actually really were at. They were kind of sitting where the tables are and stuff and just hanging out and talking. So it was really cool meeting them. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get my bike service, get the recall bolt from under the seat done. And it's been a great day, really fun day, meeting people who do this for a living, hearing their stories and how they got to where they're at. I got to talk to Chris a lot about even the Blockhead exhaust that's coming out, so he gave me some insider information. Not gonna share it, but yeah, it was a really cool meet and greet here at Seminole Harley. This place is awesome. Come check it out. The guy I see here is Eddie. I don't think he really sells anymore. He kind of more manages. Unfortunately, he's not here today. So Eddie, if you're seeing this, missed you, bro. But yeah. While I'm waiting for my bike to get serviced, there's a food truck outside. Got this awesome food. The ladies were really sweet. So go ahead and throw them in a video to show them some love. All right, this is where I ate. BK Catered to You. They got Facebook and IG. That's their number.
Actually,
October 29th is my anniversary.
right.
We will be doing a block party on the 28th, and then on the 29th we will have a brunch at Grape of the Grain in Orlando. So we want everybody to come out and check us out, enjoy our food. We have some new meal options, but again, we're gonna have like shrimp and grits. What else we gonna do? Biscuits and gravy. We're just gonna have we got a whole new breakfast menu. You know I do breakfast all day, so we had a new menu.
Where can everyone find you?
And you can find me on Instagram at BK Catering to You. That's also on Facebook, but I'm always located in Orlando at 115 South Tampa Avenue, right next to Camping World.
There you go. The food was fire. I got buffalo chicken tenders. They were good. And she seasons her food.
There you go. Was your food good, baby?
Delicious. Every time it's seasoned. Very good.
Thank you, darling. Thank you.
Chef kiss. All right. Yo, so I let them do a shout out video, right? Give their business some love. If you're in Orlando, check them out. Their food is awesome. Really cool customer service. Really all down to earth. All the ladies there. But they hooked me up with this Kool-Aid that they make. And she said this is Kool-Aid from the hood. It is. It is so good. It's straight up all sugar, but it's amazing. Go ahead and show them some love, and I'm waiting on my bike to finish up in service, and then I'm gonna hit the road. So I'll see you guys when I'm back on the road, driving back to my hometown. All right, y'all. Got the bolt changed out. They hooked me up with 1K service, and it's been a great day. They still got some live music going on. But I'm gonna get on out of here. This place is always awesome, guys. Seminole Harley here in Sanford, aka Orlando. So yeah, they ended up doing the recall. I don't know if some of you know the bolts that I think hooks up like the rear monoshock was like recalled. So they ended up replacing that for me under recall, but they also did the 1K service for me and really hooked me up with that. Did it for free, so I really appreciate it. John, their service manager, hooked me up. But guys, what a day. You know, I got to meet essentially my idols. Blockhead was there. I got to talk to him for a good bit off camera, and then shortly after I talked to his mechanic that works at the shop. Really cool dude, Chris, really down to earth, and really just got to hear his whole story and how he ended up at Blockhead Garage. And it was very, very interesting. Very cool dude, very knowledgeable. And yeah, he gave me a lot of like insightful information. Oh, okay, go ahead, cut me off. He gave me a lot of insightful information about motorcycles, and then their future and vision for the channel. You know, even he talked to me in detail a lot about the Blockhead exhaust. And I won't, you know, share too much of it because they're still going to be making content, but they have very cool stuff going on. So got to talk to him for a good probably hour. Met his fiance, and they're getting married soon. He has, you know, 2 daughters, so very down-to-earth people. And that's what's so cool about this community, is that you can drive 2 hours away and just meet people that do the same thing you do, and everyone just have like a common thing to hang out and talk about. Who would have thought, be on a motorcycle and driving 2 hours to Orlando to meet with other people that have motorcycles and vlog like I do, and talk to a camera in their helmet. And it's really cool to see how far Blockhead has come from buying toolkits from like Walmart and changing parts in a random parking garage because he couldn't do it in his apartment complex, to now he has a whole garage and a staff of basically his friends that get to work with him day in and day out and wrench on motorcycles and make fun videos. So like, really cool. And the fact that they have gotten so big and are still very down to earth. They don't act like celebrities. So I was really impressed by them. As you guys already know, with my channel, I already met Blockhead before. He connected me with Seminole Harley, with Eddie and the owner Melissa. And you know, if you guys haven't seen that video, go check out my older videos and where we talk about that, where how he helped me get basically a Sportster S. So there's a whole history there. I kind of already met him, but I never met Shade Tree. And I asked Blockhead, I was like, hey man, can you say something to my viewers or in the camera? He's like, sure. He grabs the camera and hands it to Shade Tree. And he goes on this rant. So they were really like funny and down to earth. Shade Tree immediately invited me to the camp out, the Forgotten Angels camp out. It's one of the first things he said to me. He was really cool. And I also got to meet Cheyleesi. She's very cool, just like her videos. It was great to meet her. The only one I didn't really get to talk to was her two wheels. I believe her name is Jess. I did look at a sun eclipse or solar eclipse through some binoculars that she had. It was really cool, and I talked to her during that time, but it wasn't on camera. I didn't record anything. I didn't want to show up there and be like, hey guys, talk to my viewers. I only have 200. I can't hold a candle to the wind to them, so I didn't want to be like a fangirl and all, you know, annoying. So I was just trying to play it cool and just hang out. And really, they didn't view me that way. They just, you know, they were like, yeah man, hang out, cool, let's talk. And I didn't like, hey, follow my YouTube channel. I wasn't like being annoying, but they were very down to earth. I really appreciated them taking the time to talk with me and get to know me. It was just it was a really cool day to see the people that you look up to. And you know, I do this YouTube and motovlogging, and those are the people I watch all the time. Those are the people I look up to. And it was really cool to actually meet them in person and see they're the same person on camera that they are off camera. So it was just a really cool time, really cool experience. And I'm really glad that they took the time to, you know, even talk in my camera and provide content for me. So if they ever happen to watch this, Blockhead, Shade Tree, Cheyleesi, thank you so much for being cool, grabbing my camera, talking, having fun. And her two wheels, Jess, I know I didn't get you on camera, but I did get to talk to you when we did the looking at a solar eclipse with these binoculars, and she was also really cool. So I appreciate it. If you guys can please click the like and subscribe button, share my channel, try to, you know, help me get more people to watch this, because I'm hoping to keep making more content and doing what I do. And until next time, you guys stay safe, ride safe, keep two wheels down. Peace.